Welcome to Fizzeasyart, the mysterious temple of riddles. In a hidden jungle, a curious boy named Timmy stumbled upon an ancient temple. A mischievous monkey, Max, guarded the entrance. Only those who solve my riddles can enter, Max declared. Timmy accepted the challenge. Riddle 1. What has a face and 2 hands but no arms or legs? Timmy thought, then grinned. A clock! Riddle 2. What starts with an E, ends with an E but only contains one letter? Timmy pondered, then exclaimed, an envelope. Riddle 3. What is black and white and red all over? Timmy's eyes sparkled. A newspaper. Riddle 4. What is that? You cannot touch, only feels. I think it's air. I can feel, can't touch. Impressed, Max allowed Timmy to enter the temple. Revealing a treasure trove of knowledge. Lesson. Sometimes use brain power to solve the problems. Subscribe.